Stop wasting your time walking around for Pokémon GO, seriously. In 2026, the best Pokémon GO players don't walk at all. Last night I hatched 10 eggs, caught rare regionals, and spun dozens of PokéStops, all from my couch without moving a single step. Today, I'll show you the only working method in 2026 to move in Pokémon GO without walking, for both iOS and Android. With this simple trick, you can hatch eggs faster and reach any gym or regional Pokémon in the world, all without stepping outside at all. That's why experienced players rely on AnyGo. AnyGo is a professional location changer built specifically for Pokémon GO. It works on all devices: iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac. No root, no jailbreak, no complicated mods required. Now I will show you how to move in Pokémon GO without walking, step by step. First, download and launch AnyGo on your Windows PC. I'm using Windows for this tutorial, but the entire process works exactly the same on Mac. Then choose your spoofing mode. For the best Pokémon GO experience, General Mode is the recommended option. Next, connect your iPhone or Android device via USB or Wi-Fi. AnyGo will detect your device automatically. AnyGo offers 4 flexible modes: teleport mode, joystick mode, 2-spot mode, and multi-spot mode. If you want to auto-walk and hatch eggs in Pokémon GO, go with multi-spot mode. Simply place multiple pins on the map to set your custom route. Adjust your walking speed to your preference and hit go. Then open Pokémon GO. Your avatar will start walking automatically with natural movement. You can leave it running while you relax on your sofa. No walking required at all. Just let it build up your distance so you can hatch eggs. If you need to jump to rare spawns, gyms, or regional Pokémon nests instantly, use teleport mode. Enter your target city or coordinates in the search bar, or tap any desired spot on the map, hit go. Your GPS position will update immediately. Now you are free to catch exclusive region-locked Pokémon. Okay, this is the most stable and working Pokémon GO location spoof method in 2026. If you want to level up faster and grind smarter from home, try AnyGo today. If this tutorial helped you out, hit a like, subscribe for more up-to-date Pokémon GO guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy hunting!